Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a special guest. It's my little baby girl, Sophia Rose. Say hello to everyone.
Hi.
Hey everyone. So today we are going to show you guys how to make a banana bread. The most amazing banana bread, but we are putting our spin on it because this baby girl loves peanut butter and jelly. So we are going to make, what are we making?
Peanut butter and banana bread.
Exactly, peanut butter and jelly banana bread. So let's get right into this recipe. She already mashed her bananas here. We have like 4 bananas in there. Yeah, I'm gonna have you do this. Okay. We're gonna add some eggs.
Hey.
Beautiful eggs. Alright, some sugar. Alright. A little vanilla extract. Get that vanilla in there, right, Sophia? Okay. And a little bit of avocado oil. You can use any kind of oil you want, but I love the avocado oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever you got in the house. Or you can even use melted butter too. So you want to mix that? Now we're going to blend all that together. See that? Ooh, does that look yummy? Okay, so you mix. Daddy's going to put the good old creamy peanut butter right in there. Let me help you there. Let me help a little bit.
Okay.
So we'll speed up the process here. Ready? Mix. A little elbow grease here. Mix. Gotta blend all that together. We're gonna add our dry ingredients, which basically we have flour, baking soda, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. We're gonna add that in there. You ready? Hold on, baby. Hold on. We gotta mix it in. You gotta blend all those delicious flavors together. Hold on. You're gonna do the jelly now. You wanna do the jelly? We're gonna add half the batter into a loaf pan, which I already greased up, and I put a piece of parchment paper on the bottom so it doesn't stick. And then we're gonna add some strawberry jam, dollops all around, and we're gonna use a knife and we're gonna make swirl marks just to distribute nice and evenly there. And then we're gonna add the rest of the batter on top, and then more jam, swirl it up really nicely, and then we're gonna bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 60 to 65 minutes until it's golden brown, and then when you put a toothpick in the middle, it comes out clean. Okay, there you have it, the finished product, our peanut butter and jelly banana bread. Thanks to this little one, she loves peanut butter and jelly. Also what I did was I added some more peanut butter on top, just basically did a couple tablespoons, nuke it in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then you just drizzle it on top. Looks beautiful. Now the proof's in the bread. Should we taste, Sophia?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to taste a little bit? Ready? Mmm. Isn't that good?
Yeah.
Taste the peanut butter, the jelly, the banana. Wow. I love it. Do you love it?
Yeah.
She loves it. If you guys love it, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to that channel and click that bell notification so you get all our recipes. And also, if you guys want to learn other things, just let us know what you guys want to learn, how to cook, and we'll do it. And just let you know the description to the recipe is below. Look at her eating. Everything's below there. The whole recipe is below in the description. So, thanks for watching. Want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. We're going to enjoy this with a cup of coffee, I guess, right? You want a cup of coffee?
Yeah.
She wants coffee. She's 3.5. Hey. All right, guys. See you next week. Bye.